What if your next TV had LG's blacks, Samsung's brightness, Sony's sound, and zero flaws? This is the dream TV every brand should have built, until now. Welcome to All Things ElectronX, your favorite place to break down tech in the simplest, smartest way. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. We keep things real, honest, and beginner-friendly. And if you're already part of the family, thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. You can also support our channel by reaching out via the email in our bio. Let's dive into something exciting. What if there was a perfect TV? A smart screen that takes only the best parts from every brand and leaves all the usual flaws behind. A perfect smart TV starts with the screen. We'd begin with the OLED panel from LG, known for the deepest blacks, infinite contrast, and cinematic glow. But OLED alone isn't enough, so we add Samsung's QD-OLED technology to boost brightness and color vibrancy in well-lit rooms. For audio, most TVs struggle, but Sony's Acoustic Surface Audio Plus changes that by vibrating the screen itself for directional sound. Then add Samsung's Object Tracking Sound Pro, which lets sound move with the action on screen, no soundbar required. The perfect smart interface blends Google TV's personalized content engine with LG WebOS's fluid multitasking. It's fast, ad-free, and easy to navigate even for non-tech users. Gamers, we didn't forget you. The ideal gaming setup borrows Sony's XR processing for motion clarity, LG's Game Optimizer for low input lag and 120Hz support, and Samsung's Game Bar for real-time performance stats, all connected via HDMI 2.1. Durability and glare control are next. Panasonic's robust cooling system ensures your TV won't burn out early, while Hisense anti-reflective coating beats even some flagship models in bright spaces. When it comes to design, you want something sleek and invisible. We'd combine Samsung's Infinity One bezel, Sony's low-profile stand, and LG's Flash Gallery series back for a minimalist, cable-free masterpiece. Of course, no brand is perfect. LG's OLEDs may face burn-in over time. Samsung's Tizen OS is overloaded with ads. Sony's updates come slower. TCL lacks premium processing, and Hisense suffers from inconsistent quality control. So our dream TV would include LG's OLED contrast, Samsung's QD-OLED brightness, Sony's processor and sound, Google's intelligence, LG's gaming edge, Samsung's gamer tools, Panasonic's hardware strength, Hisense's glare handling, and Samsung's sleek build. Thanks for watching All Things ElectronX. If this made you rethink your next TV upgrade, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Let us know in the comments, what's your dream feature in a TV? You can also support us by reaching out through the email in our channel's bio. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep upgrading.